So, coming to Atif, how do you think cost is an important factor in this decision?
Thank you so much, Umar. Before I answer that, I want to appreciate the really technically educative and engaging conversation that's been going on so far. And I think, yeah, indeed, that is the big question, right? When you are choosing a tech stack for your startup, and there is a lot of stuff that you have to consider. And like in this list, I think cost has to trump overall the list. Because yeah, let's face it, time is money. When we're talking about startups, they are faced by limited budgets. They have resource constraints at times as well. So cost is a very important thing that they have to consider while picking a tech stack. Okay, so as we get into some specific examples of this, if you are picking a tech stack for your startup and you end up choosing a very extensive and difficult to maintain tech stack, then eventually what's going to happen is that it will have a serious negative impact on your product in terms of that you will have a huge technical debt to deal with right from the start. So therefore, again, very crucial to consider cost while picking your tech stack. So let's take another case into consideration. You've chosen a tech stack that's unique or probably a new technology in the market. Now, once you do that, you will eventually need resources to work on your application or product in the end. So now this is the problem that you're going to face. You're not going to be able to find good resources easily. You're going to have problem attracting quality resources, and then most of these resources are going to be high valued resources. So again, these are some factors that you need to consider while you're picking a tech stack for your startup. So one third factor that I'd also like to talk about under cost is basically if your idea requires you to utilize a licensed tech and you need to integrate that into your application, now you have recurring bills and fees to pay as well. So that adds to your list. So lastly, I think based on these few things that I just discussed, and I'm sure a lot more, cost has to be a very important factor while you're picking a tech stack for your startup.